choice for Best Actor and Best Actress. Please welcome actor, multi-talented actress Max Eigenmann and versatile actor Joros Gamboa.
Good evening. We have come to the most sought-after award for male performers whose acting abilities strengthen their character's journey. And the nominees for Best Actor are...
For Best Actor, Elijah Canlas, Keys to the Heart.
Anet Ganda, Chigboy. Boy.
Dick Dom Dantes, Rewind.
Pinapasok ka nila. Hindi ko tatayan, wala akong tatay.
Shit, I resign! Sinungaling naman pala yung roots mo.
Sabihin mo na lang kasi kung ano mangyayari. Sabihin mo lang, dyan, wala na!
Sorry.
Cedric Juan, Gombursa.
Mga estudyante ko madadamay sila. Wala kami kasalanan! Inisente kami lahat! Bakit kami kinamamatay na ganito?
Yolo Pascual, Malyari.
Hindi ka nagkakatay. Ikaw ang tagapagligtas. Magiging halimo katulad ko.
Pero ginawa mo, di ba? Nabubuhay sa mga sente mo dahil sa'yo!
Alden Richards, 5 breakups and a romance.
Gusto mo, hindi mo na ako lilipat bukas. Punta lang ako. Para lang may kausap ka.
Hindi mo kailangan may plano agad, di ba?
Are we breaking up? Masakit sa akin na hindi ako yung taong pinangako ko sa'yo.
And Romnick Sarmenta, About Us, but not about us.
There was no body left to save.
Oh, you know exactly what I'm talking about.
Anyone who knows us will instantly recognize the characters are us.
Delete the account now.
Who the hell are you?
And the Aries choice is... Yolo Pascual.
On behalf of Yolo Pascual, I would like to give this award to him.
Sorry, nanginginig pa rin po ako. I had to write a speech. Actually, this was for the Box Office Hero Award a while ago. But I wasn't really expecting to win, so just forgive me for shaking. I'd like to... gusto ko munang batiin lahat ng mga nominado dito. Jello said, Mr. Romnick Sarmenta, he's my best actor. And also si Dom tsaka si Alden, I share this award with you guys. Okay, can I just read this? Thank you to our dearly beloved editors for this award. I hold this close to my heart because it comes from friends from the industry. Thank you so much as we celebrate Philippine cinema. I'm reminded of the task. Dapat ba nagsusulat na lang ako? Mas kaya ko sabihin. I'm reminded of the task that we have at hand, which is to not just celebrate, but to carry on and make sure that we're leaving a good trail for people to appreciate and hopefully be inspired by what we do. I'm humbled by this and I'm sincerely grateful for the honor. Thanks to our dear Lord for always making sure that I'm properly guided by like-minded people. And to my family, my mom, who's my greatest fan, supporter, and my strength, my son, who inspires me to always give it my best in everything that I do. My siblings, my managers, Tita Lulu, Erickson Raimundo from Cornerstone, and si Giselle po, ang aking better half sa lahat na aking ginagawa. Kung wala si Giselle, hindi ko magagawa yung mga trabaho ko. And I share this with you guys because I'm just half the effort. So thank you so much. You guys complete me. My ABS family, my Dreamscape family, my Pamilya Sagrado family, Mr. M and Tito Mariol, my parents, who really raised me in this business. My Malyari family, Brian, bonus naman dyan. Congratulations sa atin. I hope this is just the beginning of something big na pwede pang gawin ng mentor. Maraming salamat. Ron Angeles. And of course, si Direk Derek, Sir Enrico, Pao, Omar, Chris, yung bumubuo ng production, all of us, my co-actors, maraming salamat sa inyo. Magaling Ate Rona, okay? Baka makalimutan ko eh. Salamat din po sa pagmamahal at pag-aalaga ninyo sa akin. My acting coach, my job was made easier because I had an acting coach on the set, Tita Angie Castrense. I offer this award to you. Hindi magiging maayos yung trabaho kung wala si Tita Angie. Ay, salamat. Okay, my fans, you guys are the reason why I do what I do. Para po sa pelikulang Pilipino. Thank you.